What's the meaning of burnt ochre? Burnt ochre. Burnt ochre.
Burnt ochre. Burnt ochre. Burnt ochre is a dark yellow-brown color that resembles the shade of clay after it has been fired. It's a popular color used in art and design, often used for paintings, ceramics, and textiles. The color is achieved by heating natural ochre pigments to high temperatures until they turn a burnt or reddish-brown color. Burnt ochre can evoke feelings of warmth, earthiness, and natural beauty. It's a versatile color that can be used to create a warm and welcoming space or add depth and texture to artwork or design projects.